Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Pad 3D and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device. And if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, just tap on this square button of this button with square icon. And as you can see here, we've got the recents. We can remove them manually just by swiping them up like that. But if you want to close all, just tap on this X button right here. As you can see, we just got back to the home page. We can open the recents to check. And here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.